Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn off metered connections for your Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type for Settings. Open Settings. Now, in the left side menu, click Network and Internet. Then open Wi-Fi. Here you will select your connected Wi-Fi network. Like you will see, this is my connected Wi-Fi network. Now scroll down and here you will see an option called metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. Just simply toggle the turn to off. That's it. Your Wi-Fi connection is now set as non-metered network. Windows 11 can now download updates and scenic files and use background internet services without data restrictions. That's it. How to turn off meter connection for Wi-Fi in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.